This is a simple video that is going to show you how to turn your page into a private account in which you do not want situation where you do not want people to just be following you without you sifting them out. Maybe you want to watch carefully how many people, then the kind of people that are following you. So what you want to do is you want to click on the three lines at the top. You are going to see settings, scheduled content, get inside, your activity, archive, QR code saved. So you want to click on settings, then you will see follow and invite friends, notifications, creator, privacy. You click on privacy. Top here you are going to see private account. Turn it on and you have an account that's on private account. Meanwhile, if you have account that's already on private and you want to turn it off, this is how you turn it off. Just turn it off here. If you enjoyed this video, kindly subscribe to my channel, turn on the post notification button so that you can always get notifications whenever I post content.